Hi ma'am, so we're going to the 6th floor stairs. So as you can see in my map, so the exact location is this one. So I'm here now at the facing of the stairs along forest view and mansion view. So you can see here in my map. So this left side is going to the Araneta view. In my right side is going to the Forest Right Park view. So I'm here now at the 6th floor, so facing the Right Park view. So the first door is here, as you can see in my map. So this is the first door, the color yellow is a combined unit. So this is the combined unit. The unit 610 is a combined unit. So now this is the second door. So the second door is unit 632. So this is a combined unit, and second one is 632. So this is the 633. 633. 633. So this one is 29. 28. So this is the 28, and the view is facing the right park. So your unit is in there, facing the right park. The 630, 730, 830 is facing the right park. This one is the facing. So as you can see, the 7th floor starting at the top. 7 to 8 floor starting construction. So this is the right park view. So your unit is big size, so 430. Yeah, so we were going now to the other side. This is Araneta view, forest view. Unit 508. So we will check the unit 508 or 608, 708 and 808. So in my left side is the unit of facing the right park view, and this side is inner unit, right side inner unit. So your windows is in facing in the Hi ma'am, so I'm here now at the 6th floor, facing the right park view. Right park view with the covered unit of 622, unit 622 up to 632. So in my left side, starting the unit 622, and the other side is 432. So 432 to 632 and 622. So this is the facing of right park view. So now I'm here now at this 6th floor, facing the 410 and 406. In my left side is 410, in my right side is 406. So this is the view. Actually, this is the Romulo Drive, forest view, and the mansion view, Baguio Country Club view, 606 to 610. In the left side is the view of the Wright Park view. So this is the Wright Park view, and this is the view of the 406, 606 and 610. This way is going to the mansions area, the mansion and the forest view. .610 and 633. So this is the 633. 633. So the 633 is facing the Wright Park view. See? 633. So I'm here now at this 633. Now we're going to the Araneta view. So this side, this side is for elevator. So we have 3 elevator, and the this side is stairs for service stairs area. So this side is going to the Araneta view. So this view is Araneta view and forest view, covered by unit 606 in my left side, and in my right side is unit 417. Means 417 to I'm sorry, 617 and 606. Because I'm here now at the 6th floor. So 606 in my left side, in my right side is 617. The view is the Araneta view and forest view. The forest view is the left side, and this is the house of the Araneta. So this is the view. And in my right side, facing this side is facing in the Golf view. So now we're going to the other side, forest view and the mansion view and Baguio Country Club view. I think this is the other side. Bam, I'm here now in the Gulf View, no? With unit 617 to 622 or 622.